Welcome back, everyone. Today, I want to share a powerful story that will change the way you think about learning English. Many people believe you need a teacher, a classroom, or expensive courses to become fluent. But what if I told you that you can improve your English on your own, step by step, just like the woman in today's story? Let's begin. Isabella lived in a small, beautiful town near the sea. Every morning, she walked past little cafes where people laughed, talked, and enjoyed their coffee. But Isabella felt something missing in her life. She had a dream. She wanted to speak English fluently. Not just basic English, she wanted to speak naturally, confidently, and without fear. But there was a problem. Isabella didn't have a teacher. She couldn't afford expensive classes, and there were no good English schools in her town. At first, she thought, maybe this dream is not for me. But one day, everything changed. While scrolling on her phone, Isabella found a simple English video. It was slow, clear, and easy to understand. She listened carefully. At first, she understood only a few words. But something inside her said, keep going. So she made a decision. Every day, Isabella would learn English, without a teacher. At the beginning, it was not easy. She listened to English stories again and again. Sometimes she felt bored. Sometimes she didn't understand anything. But she didn't stop. She started with just 10 minutes a day. She listened while cooking. She listened while walking. She even listened before going to sleep. Slowly, something amazing started to happen. Words that were once strange became familiar. Sentences that were confusing became clear. One day, Isabella tried something new. She started speaking, alone. Yes, alone. In her room, she looked in the mirror and said simple sentences. Hello, my name is Isabella. I like coffee. I am learning English. At first, she felt shy. It felt strange. But she remembered something important. Practice makes progress. So she continued. Every day, she spoke a little more. Then Isabella discovered another powerful method. She started thinking in English. When she saw a cat, she didn't translate in her mind anymore. She said, that is a cat. When she made coffee, she thought, I am making coffee. This small habit changed everything. English was no longer just a subject. It became part of her daily life. After a few months, Isabella noticed something incredible. She could understand simple conversations. She could speak without stopping too much. She felt confident. But her journey didn't stop there. She wanted more. So Isabella challenged herself again. She started watching movies in English. At first, she used subtitles. Then slowly, she removed them. She didn't try to understand every word. She focused on the meaning. She learned new expressions like, what's going on? No way. That sounds great. These were real phrases, used by real people. One day, something surprising happened. A tourist came to her town and asked for directions, in English. Isabella felt nervous. Her heart was beating fast. But this time, she didn't run away. She smiled and said, yes, I can help you. And she did. Not perfectly. Not like a native speaker. But she communicated. And that was enough. That moment changed her life. Isabella realized something powerful. You don't need a teacher to start speaking English. You need courage, consistency, and practice. Months later, Isabella became more fluent. She joined online communities. She spoke with people from different countries. She made mistakes, yes, but she learned from them. And slowly, English became natural. Isabella's story teaches us something very important. You don't need perfect conditions to learn English. You don't need a teacher to begin. What you need is daily practice. Listening again and again. Speaking without fear. Thinking in English. And most importantly, not giving up. Even 10 minutes a day can change your life. So, if you are watching this right now and thinking, I can't learn English because I don't have a teacher, remember Isabella. Start small. Stay consistent. Believe in yourself. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more English learning stories. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next story.